Hello everyone, welcome to a showcase video of Virella Reports V1 for QBCore. So once you download the script, you're going to want to put it in a folder, essentially, right? And then, I know I say essentially a lot, I can't fucking help it, it's just who I am. And then what you're going to want to do is, like I said, once you buy it off my shop, grab the asset, you're going to download it from Portal, because that's what it's called now. It's called Portal, if I, am understanding correctly. Because clearly I don't understand code. Some people think I don't understand code, but clearly I fucking do. So I don't know what the fuck you're bitching about. Cry about it, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, once you have the code and the asset, you're going to put it in a folder that you prefer. And you're going to ensure that folder. Alright? You're going to ensure that folder and make sure that it's all in lowercase when you name the folder. You can put brackets, you can do whatever the fuck you want with that folder. Just make sure it's in lowercase. Alright? And then make sure you ensure it with the correct name of the correct folder that you put the name for the folder. So, once you've done that, drag the script, the Virella Reports script V1, open source, into that folder. And there is no database required. This does not need a database. It works standalone. It does not require a single database. I can promise you that. Okay, so once you put the script in and you've restarted your server, I want you to hit your end key, and this will bring up the reports menu. And to close out of it, you can either hit X or you can hit escape. So example, if I wanted to report a player, alright, just for example, we're gonna do player ID 1. Player ID took a shit and didn't clean up after himself. Player reported, alright, good. And then as you can see, you can see what the message is, you can see the subject, you can see the category, you can see the player who reported. And then you can hit teleport, and then once you're done with the report, you hit assist, because that will indicate that the that the report is like done with, right? Like they've finished the admin sit, basically. So or you can delete the entire report itself, right? You can delete the entire report, so it just makes more sense. Why the fuck is that guy? What the fuck? You're lucky I can't fucking hit you right now, buddy. You're fucking lucky, Mr. Crackhead. Alright, but anyways, that's about it, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, hit a like, subscribe. Also, join the server if you wish. The Virella Frontier whitelist server will be down below in the description. This is the actual server. As you can tell, I need to get a new logo. Other than that, the server's pretty much good to go. But if you guys want to join up, let me know. Down below, like I said, it will be down below in the description. I can't speak right now, guys. It's fucking 35 degrees out. It's fucking hot as shit. It is hot as, not in-game, like IRL. It's hot as fuck in my apartment. Like, it is stupid fucking hot out, chat. So, that's basically it for Virella Reports V1. I hope you did enjoy. There is a readme on it. There is a guide, but this is like the actual showcase of the script. But that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Deuces. By the way, I forgot to mention, when you make a player report, or a bug report, or you just have a question in general, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have webhooks set up in your server. You want to make sure that you have a section for support tickets in your actual server, right? So what you want to do is basically you want to make a log section, a report logs channel in your support tickets if you have support tickets, because I forgot to mention that reports has logs. And basically, if you make a report and you want only staff and admins to see in the category that you want, right? So that's basically it. If you have the setup to work for only admins, then that's good, because this should only work for admins. The report. So here's the thing, all right? Not the whole script works for admins. I worded that wrong. So this anybody can use, but if I were to switch my job, for example, and then go try and hit F10, I won't be able to view the reports, but you can still, I've been taxed, but I can still open the fucking end, the end key. Right? Like, that's how that works. Any player should be able to report. But not any player can open the report list. So keep that in mind. Make sure you guys have the correct job in the config, and in the config you can also add more, if I'm not mistaken. Let me find it here real quick. Yeah, you can add more. You can add staff, admin. You can use a command if you want, but it's recommended to use F10 or end. And then this is where you would put the webhook for the Discord logins. And if you want debug on or off, you can just keep this true or false. It don't matter. But that's really it, guys. Like, it's that simple. This is all done through mainly the server and the client side. For this one. And the main dependency is auxlib and QBCore, because it uses the lib notify for everything. But other than that, that's about it, guys. That's it. This is Virella Reports V1. It's out in the shop if you guys want to go take a look at it. Solitaire, QBCore Discord. They're gonna have a finger. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, fuck you.